Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to check out Mount Wedge in southwest Tassie. After doing the needles yesterday, it looked pretty good and looked like a walk that we could be able to do today with the time permitting. And the weather isn't too bad at the moment, which is good. So hopefully when we get to the top, we'll get some really good views. Alright, let's check it out. So after an hour 40, we're starting to get some views finally. You got the Sentinel Ranges and the other peaks there. Yeah, fair bit of scrub and wet, muddy track uphill. And up there should be out. 2 hours in, getting some good views now. You've got Mount Mueller, you've got the Needles where we were yesterday, you've got the farms right there, and you've got Clear Hill. There's heaps of other peaks behind it, Frenchman's Cap and Mount Wright, etc. Panning across, you got Lake Gordon starting to show up, glimpses of Lake Pedder over there, and yeah, towards Gordon Dam there. So yeah, awesome views. You reach the top, babe. Awesome 360-degree views. We'll start over to Mount Weld. You got Mount Anne in cloud and Mount Eliza in cloud, so it's probably a good thing I'm not doing that today. You got the Western Arthurs, some of that's in cloud. Panning across, you've got the Sentinel Range, Lake Pedder flowing across here, and Lake Pedder will end up over there roughly where Gordon Dam and the Peppers Lodge would be situated. You got Mount Sprent, you got some of the west coast peaks over there, Frenchman's Cap's right over the back in the distance, you got Gordon Dam in front of us, and you got Clear Hill, you got the Thumbs, a few other peaks at the back there, and you got Mount Weld west in cloud. And we were over there yesterday, the Needles, and you got Mount Mueller right in front of us, so a lot of awesome peaks around here. There's a lot more, but we'll stick with those main bad boys at this stage. It's about 2.5 hours, very slow going, a lot of stops, so we weren't really rushing it, we were taking it easy. And it was quite wet and muddy, hence it slowed us down a bit more. Alright guys, Mount Wedge. I'll see you on the next video.
waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. Now that you're by